Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Okay, it's a little early, but for some of y'all who got really nervous, who maybe had some, oh gosh, I'm not ready, or who was like, yes, when can I listen to Christmas music? I don't know where you fall in that gamut, but the holiday season can be challenging because we're busy, there's extra events and activities, and it's a lot of fun, but we're also shopping and wrapping and baking and trying to make memories, and it can be a lot. And so one of the things I love being is an elf for my clients and helping y'all A, shop smart, and B, simplify the process. If I can wrap and deliver to you, why not? And I can't even tell you how many people show me their palettes that they got for Christmas, their gift cards that they got for Christmas, their skin brushes, their brush sets. Like, people love to give and receive beauty products at the holidays. So I would love to help y'all keep this whole thing simpler for you and just provide some ideas. So over this next couple of months, I'm just going to share with you some little ideas that could maybe serve you and somebody in your life that you need to give to. So the first one I'm going to talk about today is our Sonic Skin Brush. It's weird, I have to kind of tip it. This brush is amazing. It's amazing for anyone, but to be able to gift one of these brushes to someone in your life, they're going to get an incredible benefit. I'm sorry, I'm making some noises here trying to open it up. This brush comes with the wand, good size, beautiful, sleek. It has a charging wire, so you can plug it into a wall charger of any kind. And I will tell you guys, I've been using mine for months and I have not charged it yet. So it lasts a long time. Also, you get a brush head. And this is wonderful. And the way that the brush works is it is like a, it is a kind of a gyration, and you get about 4,000 turns per minute. And so what happens is your skin gets extra gentle, appropriate exfoliation, so dead skin cells are getting sloughed off. It's also removing 80% more product from your skin, which is scary. Like 80% more? How much stuff was on my face? It's also going to allow the next product that you put on to perform better for you and get better results. So I love this Skin Vigorate brush. It is amazing, and women want them. Girls, anybody, people with acne, people who are, their skin is just dull, like, we all benefit from a skin brush. And so you can gift this to someone for 75 bucks, which is one of the best prices out there for a very, very good brush. So who do you know? Do you have a younger daughter? Do you have a college-age daughter, niece? There are just endless amounts of people who would absolutely love to receive it. And it's not an expensive product to keep up with. To get the new brush heads, it's 20 bucks and you get two. So you're talking about 20 bucks every 6 months if they're really on top of it. So there you go. There's a fun idea for a gift-giving solution that you could use this holiday season.